Hey, what's up YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. It's another vlog for today's upload. I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Good morning. I'm shooting some swimwear pieces. Right now it is 9 o'clock. We're supposed to start shooting at 10. So I'm about to do my hair and my makeup really quick, and then I'm gonna go ahead and set up the backdrop and everything outside. I'm gonna try to vlog this, but I don't know how I'm gonna really vlog because I'm the one modeling and I'm not trying to waste her time by having to adjust and move my camera and all that stuff. So I'm about to not take a shower, but I'm about to do my hair and my makeup, and I'll see you guys once I'm ready. Let me know when you start. Started. You can get it from like me looking over this way.
The other night, show there to the street for that shit stressing my out.
Got to do with it, baby. Yo, DJ Dempsey. Got to do with it, baby. Yeah, slow down, baby. Let you know from the gate, I don't go down, lady. I want a chick with thick hips that licks her lips.
That was good. Huh? No, you're gonna try to. I'm not even gonna look at it. I'm not even gonna look. It's not fair. Cause you already know how much is in there, so you can really like slide things over to the other side real quick. You are such a cheater. You was not even counting.
You sure?
How much you get? That right there looked like 17 seconds worth of counting. Okay. Can you just give it to me for the camera? Don't embarrass.
Okay. No, I give you $2 first.
Okay.
I give you half of it.
Half of what?
$1.
Come on. Hello, friends.
Hi.
This for me? Or is that a shot? Is it Sean? Keep in mind, I've been drinking already.
Miss Mama's with the hat. So cute.
Okay, Nadia with the bag.
Oh yes, ramen.
Nadia with the bag.
My friend.
You guys, so it is the next day. I believe I am packaging up orders, trying to get caught up on some orders. I was going to do like a chit chat and pack with me, however I just had to hurry up and pack this stuff up because I had a lot to do this day. But let me know what type of content you guys would like to see from me other than me just packaging up orders all the time. However, once I'm done packaging up these orders, I'm going to go to a model casting for Young Atlanta to try to find some models. I'm cool with the guy who puts these fashion shows together, so he told me to come out to see if I see any models that I like for my up and coming project. So I pulled up. So I hope you guys enjoy this next clip, and yeah, let's go ahead and get straight into it.
Don't rush, slow touch, find out why. I can go country, grab and buy. I can go bust, eye for eye. I can lose trust, quite wrong. Easy pop, where you they go, they go up. Catch my vibe, let me go off. Slam the trash, man it's so tough.
Alright, yo, put the belly on the body, make a clutch.
Seen her watch, now she wanna give crotch. Boy got peas, now she hopping in the pod. Man, a real life sugar gal, I might forget what. When she want dark, told her meet me at the top. Switching lanes the other day, I seen her waiting for a bus. Maybe this a Montclair sweater, diesel denim. Buy another one, my pockets fat like heather.
Alright guys, so currently trying to get my room together. It's pretty much done for the most part. We're just adding some shelves on this wall. I just packed a couple of orders, so I'm gonna drop that off to the post office once we get my shelves up on the wall. But my room is coming together nicely.
Where's that little 3-step stool at?
It's okay, this will work.
It might work for you, but how am I gonna get up there? Huh? I gotta get up there. You want to go get it?
Dad, I can't go to. What? You can't see. Okay, you can use that. You can use that.
No,
Yeah, use this.
What do you want?
Use it.
Trying to get killed.
Dad, killed by falling on foot.
Yeah. Shit break down, then I be stumbling, trying to keep
You
from falling.
sitting on it.
Yeah, but all my weight don't be on it because my weight is on the floor with my feet. Now this thing get to breaking down, then we're gonna have a real problem. All shit gonna come. Trust me, I'm gonna grab this.
Just don't grab the shit.
I'm gonna grab everything in here that you can get in that ground. I promise you, I'm gonna grab everything. I'm gonna get some dramatic up. Whoa! I'm gonna try to fall on your bed and break up the computer if need be, but I ain't hitting that ground.
Okay.
I swear to God, I'm coming down on some shit. I'm gonna come down on my life. I'm gonna come down on everything.
I gotta turn it around.
You let go now.
Oh my gosh, did you
Let
see?
it
There is my lip gloss. Anyways, you guys, so I'm about to go ahead. I know I keep saying this, but I'm going to the post office right now. So yeah, I'll see you guys once I make it back home. I feel like, do I need anything else? I don't know what else I need, but I'm about to go ahead and go. Alright, you guys, so it is the next day and I picked up a task of dyeing hair for a client of mine. She wanted to go for this two-tone blue wig, so I started off with this powder blue and I mixed it with this royal navy blue. I will insert a clip of what she wanted to go for. It looked a little bit more complicated than I thought, but it wasn't that bad at all. So I hope you guys enjoy this footage. It's pretty straight on. It's just the watercolor method. I dipped the entire hair light first before I went in with the darker color that I was having majority of the hair be. I didn't record that because I'm not a professional hairstylist. I don't really know what I'm doing. If you want a more detailed watercolor method tutorial, I'm sure you can find a lot of tutorials that are better than this one. But I wanted to show you guys how this wig ended up turning out. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will insert a little bit more footage of my photo shoot from earlier, but other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
Got to do with it, baby.
Yo, DJ Dempsey.
Got to do with it, baby. Yeah, slow down, baby. Let you know from the gate, I don't go down, lady. I want a chick with thick hips that licks her lips. She could be the office type, but like the strip.